Hello, today I'm going to present my third evidence and I'm going to talk about the interview with my mother. Memories of family members who passed away. What my mom told me was, my grandparents have told me so many stories about my great grandparents. I never met them because they have passed away before I was born in 1978. My mother said that my great-grandfather was a very noble and hard-working man, and he used to have dark hair. My great-grandmother, who was a strong redhead, might have been the toughest person in the family. She took great care of them. The many anecdotes about their lives have been shared across generations since I was a little girl. Memories of early years. I remember my early years well. For a long time, my parents used to take me to the park every Sunday to play. I used to play hopscotch and jacks with the other children, and my family always made me feel very loved as well as people outside the family. School days. When I was in school, I was taught by nuns in Catholic school. I recall a specific time I was punished by a teacher who hit me in my head, even though I had always been a good student. Later, I had been on the cheerleading team for 2 years, which was my favorite part of school. My favorite part was always physical education. I had always been good at sports and I used to spend hours playing. Historical events. Finally, I remember the 1985 earthquake. My family was told terrible news, and my father told us that my aunt had been lost in the disaster. People were saying that the damage was truly devastating and much worse than expected. Thank you.